What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So I've been waiting on this for a while. It's the last part to the F-150 being completed back to its former glory. So
hopefully this is
I ordered one and it was the wrong one. So we sent it back and then it took forever to get that one. And then when I ordered this one, it was supposed to have been here last week. Never made it. So
yeah, I was out getting the mail and the UPS truck came up and I was like, perfect timing.
So here we go. We got the surround.
So that
this is the last piece that goes to the F-150. It's the other one was peeling up, and
So you met the UPS truck down by the mailbox?
I might get a dampener for the steering because it's good with them Harley wheels are a little bit heavier than the original ones. Other than that, the F-150 it's complete. Back to the day it was when we bought it, minus a few dents and scratches and rust and miles.
Tell everybody what that is. What is that?
This is it goes on the armrests right next to you where you put your cups of coffee.
Yeah, and the one that you ordered that came in was the wrong
side. It was
side.
the wrong one. It was for the newer model.
Okay.
So should go plug this in.
Yeah.
So that's what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun. And I'm getting ready to leave tonight. God bless and later.